Have a girlfriend or you want a girlfriend and you're looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift, I just got it. It's a jump starter slash air compressor for your car. Every girl should have in their car because they're stuck in a bad situation late at night and their tires flat or they need to jump start their car. Have this in their car ready to go. On sale right now for $23 on TikTok shops. If you are gonna get one, I would definitely get it for like 20 bucks. Comes with the jumper cables, a regular light if you need to see. It also has a blinking light which acts as like an emergency light. Like a basketball or a football or like some sort of ball you want to pump up, it has different adjustments for that. What I want to do is turn it on, lock it in place, tell you as it fills up. Back in the sleeve, you are good to go. Seriously guys, perfect gift for your girl for Valentine's Day. $23 on TikTok shop. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna leave the shopping cart right here.